Here is another Microsoft Excel skill for you. Let's do the learning. You might have known how to export a whole Microsoft Excel sheet to PDF by coming to File, selecting Save As, and you select the directory or the location where you want the file to be saved as PDF. Then you come to the Save As type. You select PDF down on the list. Just give it a name that you love and you hit save. It will be saved. Come to the directory. As you can guess, you just need to open it. The PDF is done. But what if you want to save a particular selection? Take for instance, I have 14 names on this list. What if I just want to save the first 5 names to PDF? That is quite easy. What I have to do is to make a selection from the header to the last record, record number 5. I'll come to File, I'll come to Save As, I'll come to the directory, I'll pick it, I'll come to the file type, I'll select the PDF, and I'll come to Options. Look at the options here. The option button will be clicked, and I will select Publish What. You will look at the question, I'll select the selection, and I will hit OK. Look at it. We already have the file here before, but here, to make it different from the first one, I'm going to type selection, just for us to know that this is the selected one. After doing that, I'll hit Save, and it has been saved. Let me go to the directory for confirmation. Here is it. I will open it up. You can see we have successfully saved that selection to PDF. I hope you have learned something. Please let me have your like, drop your comments, share the video, and follow me for more. My name is Obafunle. I'll see you in my next video.